People able to see the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Others also please respond.
No, ma'am. I just see a
No?
blank.
No, ma'am.
Now you would be. Yes. Do you people have these questions in your textbook? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bethel, you
Yes, ma'am.
also have these questions. Now, starting with the memo first. Okay. Memo, what do you mean by the term tissue?
Tissues are the group of cells which which has a specific function.
Okay, these are the group of cells that perform specific function. Okay. That perform specific
And are similar in structure.
yes. That perform specific function in the body and having similar structure and having same structure. Okay, structure and size also.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming on to the second question, Bethel has to answer. Okay. How many types of elements together make up the xylem tissue? What are those?
Two.
Am I audible to you, Bethel?
Yes, ma'am.
To think of this answer,
Ma'am.
and by that time, please give me just 2 minutes, okay? To think of this answer. Others also, please, when it's your turn, okay, just give me 2 minutes.
Ma'am, you have to write the answers of these.
Yes, yes, Petal. Sorry, students. Yes, what was the answer for this?
Ma'am, 4 elements.
What are the elements that are there? Can you name them?
Vessels,
Vessels are there.
vessels,
Then
xylem fiber,
xylem fibers are there. Then
xylem parenchyma,
xylem parenchyma is there. Then,
and the trachea.
sorry,
And the trachea.
I'm not getting. Are tracheids the part of xylem or phloem?
Trachea,
Yes, tracheids.
side.
Sorry,
Ma'am, tracheids of xylem.
tracheids are. Abdullah, are tracheids part of xylem or phloem?
Yes, ma'am.
Are tracheids part of xylem or phloem?
Xylem. Phloem.
Sorry,
It's phloem.
Mohammed, what do you think? Are tracheids the part of xylem or phloem? Where is Umema?
Yes, ma'am.
Are tracheids the part of xylem or phloem?
Xylem.
Yes, they are the part of
Xylem.
xylem, Abdullah. Okay, Mohammed,
Yes,
why are you
ma'am,
late
xylem.
here?
There was some technical issue. I kept joining the class, but the laptop there was some problem.
No problem. Uh, what are the simple tissues? How are simple tissues different from complex tissues in plants? Okay, simple tissue and complex tissue. Now it's Mohammed's turn to give the answer. Hello, Mohammed, am I not audible to you? Okay, Umema, can you give me the answer for the difference between simple tissues and the complex tissues? I think we have some connectivity issue. Hello, am I not audible to you people? Can I join the
Yes,
meeting
ma'am,
one
you're
more
audible.
time? If
Yes,
I'm
ma'am, you're
audible.
audible.
Yes, difference between the simple and complex tissues.
Simple permanent and complex permanent, right?
But the simple permanent tissues are made up of only one type of cell. And the
Okay,
complex
first of all, can you tell me the components of the simple permanent tissue?
parenchyma, parenchyma,
Parenchyma.
Kiran
Let's
Kaima.
start with the okay. Parenchyma is there. Then we have parenchyma in this. What about the complex tissues?
Xylem and phloem.
Xylem and phloem. Now, second point.
They are made up of one type of cell.
They are made up of
They are
one type of
composed
cell.
of only one type of cell.
one type of cell. Whereas
They are composed of more than one type of cells.
more than one type of cell. Then third point. Any other student want to try? Hello?
Ma'am, soil and phloem are used for transporting waters.
You can say for transportation mechanism, I can say. Okay. Transportation function is for transportation, and in simple, the function is
Protection,
very good. It is for the protection.
fluidity,
Okay. Any other point you people want to conclude? I think 3 points are enough. So I want you people to write all these three answers first. Then we'll move on to the fourth. Wherever you have the space in your textbook after this chapter, so you can write these answers.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Others also.
Done, yes, ma'am.
I think students are still writing.
Done, ma'am.
Abdullah, have you written?
ma'am, I'm writing. Last point.
Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming on to the fourth question. Differentiate between parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma on the basis of their cell wall. Now, Abdul has to answer this. Have parenchyma, have sclerenchyma, and we have collenchyma. Abdullah,
Yes, ma'am.
differentiate between all these three types on the basis of their cell wall.
Parenchyma is
Yes, it is on the basis of the cell wall.
it is food storage tissue
No, here on the basis of cell wall.
or cell wall. It has
Specifically on the basis of
loosely packed with large spaces between them.
that is on the basis of intercellular space. We are specifically talking about the cell wall. So this is having the thin cell wall. Okay, consists of unspecialized cells with thin cell wall. Okay. The parenchyma is having the thinnest cell wall.
Oh, that.
Yes, dear. The basis
Then
of thin and thickness. Okay, what about the sclerenchyma?
sclerenchyma, they are dead tissues. They are the
Have
they have
the
thick walls,
thickest cell wall.
thickest walls,
Yes,
no
thickest
internal
cell wall.
space.
Due to deposition of which component? Due to
Lignin,
deposition of
lignin.
very lignin. Deposition of lignin. What about the collenchyma?
It is thickened in the corners
So I can say
and
irregularly
irregularly thickened.
thickened at the are all points correct? Mohammed, Umema, Bethel. What do you people think? Are all points correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you please write all these points. Then we'll move on to the fifth question.
Done, ma'am.
Others also have done.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Mohammed and Abdullah are still writing. Abdullah, why your video is off, dear? I can't see
Then,
you.
ma'am.
Is it done for you also, Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Now moving on to the fifth question. What are the functions of the stomata? Now Muhammad has to answer for this. First of all, tell me what are stomata?
Stomatas are tiny holes which help in taking exchange of gas.
So stomata are the tiny pores. They are the tiny pores present on the surface of leaf. Present on the surface of, yes. You well said that it is responsible. First function is there. It facilitates exchange of gases, which are your oxygen and carbon dioxide. Yes or no? With
Yes,
the
ma'am.
atmosphere. And what is the other? It performs another function also. What's that?
Transpiration.
Very good. Transpiration. What is transpiration, Mohammed?
Like they regulate water loss.
Loss of water in the form of vapors. Okay, loss of water in the form of vapor. Please write this answer, then we'll move on to the sixth. Write this answer. Little, what happened here? Why your video is freezed? Are you in the meeting?
Done, ma'am.
Then, ma'am.
This also have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad, Abdullah, have you people done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done. I have done.
Now coming on to the sixth question. So diagrammatically show the difference between the three types of muscle fibers. So have you people drawn the diagram as I showed you on the slide? Let me draw the rough diagram. Skeletal muscle. Where can you find the skeletal muscle? Bethel has to answer. Where can you find the skeletal muscle, Bethel?
Ma'am, the muscle attached to the bones.
Find them in the limbs. See your hands, your feet, your legs. Okay. Where will you find the smooth muscle? Stomach, I can say. Okay. Alimentary canal is there. Fine. Have the intestine. Okay. You have the ureters. Fine. Etc. All of them are lined by your smooth muscle. About the cardiac muscle. Where will you find the cardiac muscle?
In the line of heart.
Very good. Find them in the heart. Okay. So the other locations. Now, how will you differentiate the diagram? I won't be able to draw such accurate diagrams, but I can try. These are for your skeletal muscle. Okay. Are these striated muscles or not? No. Yes, Bethel, are these striated muscles or not? What are striations?
I'm like striated are like thread like, right?
Sorry.
Striated are like thread like.
Striation that are having the strips. Okay. That are the striations only. Okay, whatever I am drawing, these are the strips. Okay, what about the nucleus? Are they multinucleated or uninucleated? What are these?
Uninucleated. These
No,
are
dear.
its nucleus.
These are the nucleus. There are multiple nucleus. So this is multinucleated. Okay, multinucleated. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your smooth and cardiac are? Your smooth and cardiac are uni or multinucleated? Check from your differences. Now I am drawing the smooth. Let's draw the smooth.
They are uninucleated, both.
Smooth and cardiac are uninucleated. And what's the shape? They are spindle shape. Okay. What shape is this? This is spindle shape.
Spindle.
Each fiber will have only one nucleus. Okay. So they are. If you can observe, this is one fiber. Okay. And one fiber is having multiple nucleus. But if you can observe here, each fiber is having only one nucleus. Okay. So they are uninucleated. Okay. One such difference is this. Now coming on to the cardiac muscle. These are your cardiac muscles. So here also we have only one nucleus. Each fiber is having only one nucleus. This is another division. Here they have another nucleus. This is having. So they are also uninucleated. People can draw these diagrams. Are you people understanding it or not?
Yes, ma'am, we understand.
So you also please draw these diagrams and write the difference. Which among the smooth muscle and the cardiac muscle have the striations? We know that skeletal muscles have that striation. What about the cardiac and smooth muscle? Which one have the striation?
Cardiac muscles.
Yes,
Cardio.
cardiac. Yes, very good. Cardiac muscles have the striations. This is also striated. This is also striated. But your smooth is unstriated. This is unstriated. So whenever a question comes in your school exam, always draw the diagram. And which one is having the intercalated disc? This was the question also, and few students got confused in this answer. Which one is having the intercalated disc?
Cardiac muscles.
Yes. Cardiac muscles. Let me mark it. The intercalated. Bulla, what are you thinking? Do you have you written this?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
it done?
No, ma'am, I'm drawing
Yes,
cardiac.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
By the way, ma'am, I have received my answer sheet, my marks in
You, Mema?
I have received the like result of science.
How much have you got in your school?
Yes, ma'am.
How much have you got?
I got 14 out of 14 in bio.
14 out of 14 in?
Bio.
Very good, excellent, dear.
Thank you.
Say your result. Your hard work.
Yes, thank you. But ma'am, I have
Very good.
lost no, 1 mark in chemistry and 4 marks in physics.
Physics. So you need to do more work in physics and chemistry. Chemistry is fine, only 1 mark is not that much, but in physics, yeah, it's more. You have to work hard.
Man, because in biology we can just like learn everything.
Sorry?
In biology we can just learn everything, function, location and stuff. But in physics it's really difficult.
So you people get the numericals in the physics?
Yes, ma'am, I did. No, it was such a silly mistake. I realized it after getting the paper.
Sorry, Mama, I can't hear you properly.
Ma'am, it was such a silly mistake that I made in physics paper.
In the numerical part,
Yes, ma'am.
take care from next time.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Muhammad, you were saying something?
We have like very like we have like very hard numericals for physics.
You find it to be hard.
And
It's somewhat,
and like in
yes.
bio and chemistry we have 2 chapters each, but in physics I have like 3 chapters and all of them are really difficult.
So have you also got your test result?
Now I have my exam are I haven't even started.
Okay, they are not even started.
No, they have not yet started.
Okay, so after this, we will start with the revision of. I found these questions because you people told me in the last class that whatever questions I was doing in front of you that were not in your chapter. Yes, that's why I have found these questions. Now, are they matching with your school book questions?
Yes, ma'am.
So after this, we will do the revision of the cell chapter. Have you people written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now coming on to the seventh question. Mema has to answer for this now. Seven. What is the specific function of the cardiac muscle? This is it. What's the function of the cardiac muscle?
Okay.
What's the role of the heart? Okay, leave the cardiac muscle. What's the role of the heart?
To pump blood.
Yes. So for pumping mechanism, the heart has to contract and relax. Contract and relax. Yes or no?
Mhm. Yes, ma'am.
Since your heart is a muscular organ, it is surrounded by the cardiac muscles. So that relaxation and contraction to pump the blood is done by the cardiac muscle. Okay.
Yes.
So for rhythmic, or you can write simply, role of cardiac muscle is of cardiac muscle is rhythmic contraction and relaxation. To pump blood throughout the body. Understood? Please write this answer quickly, then we'll move on to the 8th question.
Done, ma'am.
Done for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah, Bethel, have you people done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So differentiate between striated, unstriated, and cardiac we have already done. Okay, on the basis of site and structure, will you people able to write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we have already done it in question number. Which question we have done? In 6 we have done. Okay. Coming on to the 9th question, draw a well-labeled diagram of a neuron. This is very important. This can be asked in the school exam also. So let me draw the diagram for this.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? My like I lagged out.
Well-labeled diagram of a neuron. Neurons are a part of which tissue?
Nerve tissue.
Nervous tissue. Okay? And they are a part of brain or spinal cord.
Nervous system.
What's the role of the neurons in your body?
They transport like electric shocks called
Not the shocks, dear.
shocks.
Electrical impulses. Okay?
Yeah, impulses throughout the body.
Yes. They carry out the signals so that your muscles can work. What are these that I'm drawing? The branch shape. Any idea?
No, ma'am.
The other dendrites. Okay, let me draw the diagram, then I'll label it. Then you have the axon and the nerve endings. Okay. Now let's label it.
And the
What
dot
do
in the
you
middle
have?
is the nucleus.
Nucleus.
Very good. This is the nucleus. And nucleus is present where?
Cell body is so much.
Very good. This is present into the cell wall. Then what are these branch shaped known as?
Dendrites.
Very good. The other dendrites. Then what is the structure known as?
Axon terminal.
Sorry?
Axon, right?
Yes. Okay. And what are these known as?
Axon terminals.
Axon terminals.
There are other parts also, but I think these are enough to know at your class. So you can draw this. Should I label all other parts also in this? That you
Yes,
can
ma'am, we
people
can
know?
label it. We can discuss later.
So you people start drawing this, labeling the parts. This. Is which is surrounding it is the myelin sheath. Okay, this is myelin sheath.
Ma'am, what are those Schwann cells? Or is
The
that?
Schwann cells. Okay, these are the part of your neuron that help in the conduction. These two terms are extra myelin sheath, Schwann cells, and there are nodes of Ranvier also. But I think these terms are enough for you to understand. Otherwise, that would be more deep for you.
Then, ma'am, I will do it.
In your class, you need to know only the dendrites, nucleus, cell body, exon, and your exon terminal. These are enough.
Done, ma'am.
And for others also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.